Well, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you may be. I'm Clyde with PT3D, and I am preparing to get our test print underway. So let me get this going. Hold on one second. My apologies for the vision. It's not as good as it could be. But I need to pull up my slicer profile, and I need to download the file that because what I do is I transfer it to my Google Drive, and then I go from there and download it here, and then I slice it here, and then I put it on the machine. So we're going to try and do that fast if my computer will behave itself, because oftentimes it's a little slow. Doesn't really have a very good video card on it, and doesn't have a lot of memory on it. So, yeah, it is what it is. So I'm loading it. I'm still loading it. So this is part 3. I wasn't really going to do a part 3 like this, but since I trudged through about a foot of snow, I decided that I would do a video when I got here, because, well, face it, I trudged through almost a foot of snow all the way here rather than driving my car. And so I don't know which one. I think I didn't drive the car out of laziness. So it's slow. It's getting there. I would show you the screen, but it's like any other email client. I'm still going. So how you doing? What's going on with you guys today? I've got the hex mural project is starting to come together. I haven't done an update on that, so while I wait for this thing to do what it's doing, I figure I'll tell you real quick. I do have a couple of submissions, and I will be doing live streams here soon where I can involve you more. I've been having issues with the adhesion, actually, for the hex tiles on the wall. I've tried a couple of different methods so far, and there is one method that seems to have worked. So we're going to I'll probably pursue that. That's the Gorilla double-sided, I don't know, sticky pads, whatever. And that seems to work really well holding it to the wall. Double-sided tape didn't work. Rolled up masking tape didn't work. They have that poster tacky stuff. It's like a putty. That didn't work. It gets too hot in here. It's like it gets to a steady like 90-something degrees when I'm printing. So yeah, my life. It's the small things. All right, I'm finally into the projects. So let me pull this up. There's my tool. So we're going to download the tool. Okay, the tool is now downloaded. So we're going to open up our Simplify 3D client now. So I'm going to try and get you over here so you can see what I'm doing here. Let's see, can you see that somewhat? Mostly? Here, I'll prop up a leg so you can kind of see. Well, first off, it takes a lot longer to load this thing than it should. Look, spinny, spinny. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It stopped spinning. This is where I stand here and just wait. It's like the whole video. It's just going to be, hey, I'm going to call this the part 3 wait video. Maybe I should have done the video after I loaded everything up for you. Are you loading? Are you not loading? I think it's loading. Ah, there it goes. Okay. Yay. Alright, so we'll remove that because we don't need that in there. And we're going to import this one right here, kitchen faucet tool. I'm going to get that right where you can see it and where I can see it. We're going to rotate that 90 here, and we're going to rotate it 180 here. And then we're going to center and arrange, and let's make sure so you can see that. All right. Edit process settings. We don't want fast, we want medium. 8% infill, let's go to 18%. We're going to change the infill from rectilinear to fast honeycomb. And okay. And we're going to go to temperatures, primary extruder, 215, 210, and we should be good. So we're going to go to prepare to print. Should not take long at all. And we'll give you guys a little preview of what this is going to look like. And that's the fast honeycomb. We're going to have an issue with the text, but I think we should be alright. So we're going to leave it and we're going to try it anyway. Save toolpath to disk. I've already got the disk in there. This one's set up for the Anycubic Chiron, which is a risk, I know, but we're doing it anyway, so I'm calling it AC Kitchen Faucet Tool. For the G-code, and it says down here that it has been successfully exported. So now, yes, now, just before the end of the video, I'm going to try and get this set up so you can at least see. Maybe it'll print for you, because I'm limited to the 10 minutes and I have to stop at that point because my phone only does 10-minute videos. So yay. So anyway, I don't know. Looks like right now our temperature's going up pretty quick. No, we're running out of time. Who is going to win? Okay, so now we're printing. And there you go. So you get to see that is the kind of the size of it, really. It's not huge, but that should be sufficient for us to get the job done. So when this is done printing, I'll do another video. So until then, you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you on part 4. 4 fingers.